getting an SMS fee or verification issue while signing into Telegram. Here are the working fixes. Fix 1. Use Telegram code from another device. Open Telegram on any device where your account is already logged in. Check the login code sent inside the app instead of SMS. This avoids SMS charges completely. Fix 2. Wait before requesting another code. If you request codes repeatedly, Telegram may switch to paid SMS routes. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Try again once. Avoid multiple attempts. Fix 3. Use call verification instead of SMS. Tap Call Me instead if available. Telegram will send the code via an automated call, usually without extra SMS cost. Fix 4. Update the app. Open Google Play or App Store. Update Telegram to the latest version. Outdated versions sometimes cause verification problems. Check important. Telegram itself does not normally charge for SMS. Any fee usually comes from your mobile network carrier or international SMS routing. Final summary. Use in-app code, wait before retry, use call verification, update Telegram. These steps fix most Telegram SMS fee issues in 2026.